Hello everyone, welcome to my noiseless investing channel. Today's topic is has Nifty bottomed out? And not only that, we'll also analyze Nifty Midcap and Small Cap indices and we'll find out what's the condition now in the market and what should we do. This is a chart of Nifty 50 in point and figure. This is a chart in 0.25% box size and you can see from after a prolonged downtrend it is still in downtrend but some bullishness is there because the anchor column bullish anchor column is being formed here, so that is why I thought I'd make a video and update you about what is happening in the market. So this is the Nifty 50 chart here, and let us observe what is happening in the higher time frame, that is 3% box size. So in 3% box size, there was a sell triggered earlier below this point, and again another sell signal was below this point, it was triggered, and it is still continuing. And let us now go into a lower box size to understand what is happening over there. So in 1% box size, you can see that since I think September last year, the high Nifty started falling until now it is falling only. And here there is a support line at first which it was it seemed that it is broken, but right now since the green column is printed, we can say that Nifty is in a sideways movement here and trying to respect this support line here. But again you can see there is another resistance line has formed, and this we have to observe that how Nifty behaves when it approaches this overhead resistance line, and it is also below the moving average line also. So in 3%, 1% box sizes, there is again there is no sign of bullishness here. But let us go to the still lower box sizes, which is 0.25%. So here you can see that the downtrend Nifty is clear with some anchor columns being formed in between. And if we consider this anchor column, which is a corner here, this is a mini top here. So that target was 15,900, which was met, and after that, Nifty again tried to show some up move here, but again this was negated with this anchor column, bearish anchor column. After which, double top buy signal was generated at around 15,600, and this latest anchor column is now a bullish anchor column. So this is a very good sign, and we don't know exactly if this is the bottom or not, because what we can see here, this is a bullish anchor column, that is one point. It has crossed the simple moving average, that is another good point. But there is a overhead resistance line, so we have to observe what how Nifty behaves near when it reaches, it prints a red column here and corrects a bit, and then again it starts to move up. That would be a very good entry point in short term Nifty. So that is it from Nifty. Let us now go to the mid cap and small cap charts to understand how to take trades there. So we'll use the 3% box size. As with Nifty in mid cap also, the sell Nifty is going in a sell, but the latest column is a green one, so that is a good sign. But the sell is continuing. In 1% box size also, the target was around 22,922, but before that, Nifty mid-cap chart is trying to has formed a low pole here, which is a bullish chart pattern, but there is a overhead resistance line here, so we have to be careful here. And the buy is not triggered yet; it is still going in a sell signal. In 0.25% box size, the scene is different. So it generally happens like this only, that in lower box sizes the trends changes first, then it goes to the higher box sizes or higher time frames. So here you can see that The target was around 27,783, which is almost met now, and it is now near this downtrend resistance line. So we have to see how it behaves here. So as with Nifty 50 midcap is also in 3%, 1% it is in sell, and in 0.25% box size it is in buy. But we cannot say with surety that is in a bullish territory or the bottom has been formed. In 3% box size, there has been correction, quite a bit correction actually. Um, there was a sell signal generated here, and then again a sell signal generated here, and it is now in sell signal only. Let us go to 1% box size. So again, the target was around 7,000, but before that only we are seeing a low pole formation here, which is a bullish formation. This is the low pole here. So this is a bullish formation over here, and you can see that there was a support line here which is being respected. But the chart is still in a sell signal. So if you see that this chart again, this green column moves up further and breaks this uh, moving average line over here. So in 1% box size, we are still in sell signal, but there is some kind of bullish formation. In 0.25% box size, the scene is different as expected. Here also you can see that there has been formation of anchor column here, bullish anchor column, and the target is not met here, unlike mid cap. So, but the 10 simple moving average line has been broken, and there is like the other charts, there are some resistance lines waiting for us. So we cannot say confidently that Nifty has bottomed out or Nifty Midcap Small Cap has bottomed out. But once this resistance line is taken out, we can be somewhat sure that there will be more probability that Nifty has made the bottom. So that's it from this video, guys. If you had learned anything, please subscribe to my channel for future videos. If the chart changes, if there is any change in the view, I'll again come up with a new video. So do subscribe me to get my updates. Thank you.